and receivers are alerted for specific launches, warnings, and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA Weather Radio and same alert systems. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for central Massachusetts, including the greater Worcester area, issued at 10:05 a.m., Wednesday, April 19th. This afternoon, mostly cloudy.
Okay.
Lower 50s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 30s. Northwest winds
Look at that, working
with
screen.
gusts up to 25 miles an hour, becoming west around 5 miles an hour after midnight. Thursday, mostly sunny. Warmer with highs in the mid-60s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 20 miles an hour. Thursday night, partly cloudy until midnight, then clearing. Lows in the lower 40s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming northeast and 46. Friday, sunny, warmer with highs in the upper 70s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, mostly sunny. And Saturday, mostly cloudy. Lows in the upper 40s. Highs in the lower 70s. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the lower 50s. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour.
In New York City, it was cloudy and 49 degrees.
Sunday night, showers likely. Highs in the lower 60s. Lows in the mid-40s. East winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Monday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. A chance of showers on Sunday afternoon. Highs in the mid-50s. Cooler and northeast winds around 15 miles an hour, becoming northwest in the afternoon. Chance of rain 50%. Monday night, mostly cloudy until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy.
Probably the only radio out there with a yellow statement light.
Lows in the upper 30s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Tuesday, mostly sunny.
Gusts up to 30 miles an hour.
Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Dry, seasonable, and breezy today before a warming trend develops Thursday and Friday with continued dry weather. Next shot for more widespread rain showers comes late Saturday into Sunday.
This was set on WN575 in case they tested early, but I'm just going to set it off.
Here are the 10 a.m. observations for the Worcester area. In light, Friday, mostly sunny. Highs around 6.
Well, I got a weekly off of the version 1. You can see that statement light.
16 miles an hour, gusting to 23 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.9.
This baby went off, as you can see.
Around the region, in western Massachusetts, in Pittsfield, cloudy, temperature 37, wind west at 14, gusting to 22. Around 50, cloudy, temperature 42, wind west at 13, gust. Sunday night, rain likely. In Pittsburgh, highs around 60, 46, lows in the mid at 17, gusting to 25.
I guess that somehow got rid of the scroll, but okay.
Cloudy, temperature 45, wind west at 9.
Alert went off.
Temperature 50, wind chance of rain 50%. Sunday night, partly cloudy with a 50. Lows in the upper 30s.